Hi everyone. In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through how this PDF generator application works. So once we install the PDF generator package, initially we will see this PDF generator application here, and they are providing us this for default tab: home, PDF templates, PDF request, and PDF sign request. In the home page, we will see the description about how this PDF generator works and how we can generate the PDF and everything. Okay, in the next step, we can set up the templates. So if we go to the PDF templates and hit new button, it will ask for us few details: PDF template name, template ID, object API name, preview mode, and all these details. I have already created template, so let me walk you through that. So in this demonstration, we are going to focus on this ad hoc sign template. Okay, so this is ad hoc sign template. Here we can mention the Google Doc ID, which we are going to use as a template. In document section, we have the preview mode. So once we try to generate the PDF document, do we need to preview it before we generate the document? If we take it, then it will preview it. Then we have the attach option, where we can tick this box, and whatever generated document we have, we can attach to the record. In the email section, we have the send email, which is preview and auto. So it's a similar, but this is for the email. So when we try to send the email with the document, we can preview it before we send it. Email template ID, email from address, email CC address, email to address, and email BCC address, we can mention it. Then we have log email activity option, which stamp the email activity on the record, and attach PDF, which is nothing but whatever generated document we have, we need to attach with the email or not. In the sign section, we have the sign option, which allow us to generate the signature request link, and we have the sign font color, which allow us to put the font color in the document for the signer name and the date. We will see this in the demonstration. Then we have the add-ons, where we can log the request, and once this log request is true, we can stamp that request here. And the other option, we have the doc access, what kind of access we need to provide to the user for the Google Doc which we create. So it's a view and modify. If they just view it, they can just view it. If you select modify, then they can also modify it. If you select none, then by default, if you have the same email where you select the template, right, then only you can modify it, otherwise not. And in the button URL, once we hit the save, it will generate this button URL, which we are going to use in the as a button to generate the PDF. So this template we set up on the job object. You can use any standard or custom object here. We need to just use the API name, so it will allow us to build the button link. Once we set up this template ID here, we can click on this edit template. We set up this document on this job object, so it will show all the merge tag related to the job, all related objects, and if we include the sign tag, then it will show for the sign, date, name, and image, right? So we can, so let's say if I want to add the job name, then I can copy this here, and then I can use it in this document. For the lookup object, let's say if I go for the owner, and if I copy the email, it will copy this and it will show that. Okay, so once this template is done, right, let's go back, and we have to create button for the job object. So I have already created this object, So let me go to that object. I have three records and I have already created this particular sign ad hoc button. So let me show you that button. In order to create the button, we have to go to the job object manager and button link and action, and we need to create new buttons from here, which is the URL button. So sign ad hoc, I have created that as a detail page button as a URL, and this URL we have to copy it from the template. So button URL we can copy it from here and then we can put it in the button URL. Once that's done, we have to modify the page layout and add this button on the page layout so we can see it here. Okay, so this is the job. Schedule name is all set well, and let's click on the sign ad hoc. So once we click on the sign ad hoc, it will copy the template and generate the document. So it's a fetching template, getting merge tab, and then populate merge tab. And then we enable the document preview. That's why I can just see it. So this is document preview with all this data. Now, once that's done, we can continue it. So it will create the document and whatever option we select, like attach to the record, attach to the email, it will do. Right. So this is from address we mentioned. This is to address we mentioned, and this is the signed link they generated. So once we send this as an email, for now I'm going to open the sign link so we can sign it. So once we send this email, this customer receive the email, and they can also see that signed link, and this document is gets attached to the record. So initially it will look like this. This signer tag and image tag, you can make it as same color as a background color, so it will not be visible to the customer. But yeah, that's something we can do additional setup, right? So now if I go to the signature link, it will show me the PDF preview, and at the bottom I can put my name, and we can do the signature for this. Once we save it, for now name and signature successfully saved. And now if we go back to the job record and refresh it and open the same document, it will stamp the date, name, and signature. So that's how we can generate this PDF document from the template. Thanks for watching this PDF generator demonstration.